As artificial intelligence reshapes our world, the spotlight turns to the uniquely human abilities that AI can't replicate. These human-centric skills are our superpowers in the age of automation, ensuring we remain indispensable in the workforce. First, there's emotional intelligence. It's the art of understanding and managing our emotions, and it's vital for roles that require empathy, motivation, and social finesse. In leadership, teamwork, and customer service, this human touch is irreplaceable. Then we have critical thinking. AI may crunch numbers, but humans bring interpretation and strategy to the table. We're the ones who provide nuanced insights and make complex decisions amidst rapid change and intricate problems. Creativity and innovation are next. AI can mimic and remix, but it can't match the human capacity for original thought, experimentation, and envisioning the unimaginable. Our ability to connect the dots in novel ways is what drives progress. Interpersonal communication is another arena where humans excel. The subtleties of our language, tone, and context are essential for nuanced understanding and cannot be fully replicated by AI. Adaptability and flexibility are crucial too. While AI optimizes for the known, we navigate the unknown, continuously learning and adjusting to new challenges. Ethical judgment and reasoning require a human touch. We weigh values, principles, and societal impacts in ways that AI simply cannot. Cross-cultural competency is increasingly important in our globalized world. Understanding and adapting to cultural nuances is a skill where human insight is paramount. In project management, AI can handle logistics, but humans provide vision, strategic decisions, and the nuanced leadership that drives success. Lastly, domain-specific knowledge in fields like healthcare, law, arts, and counseling is deeply human. The depth of experience and insight in these areas is something AI cannot emulate. By honing these human-centric skills, we secure our place in a future where AI is a tool, not a replacement. It's our humanity that will keep us relevant and valued in the evolving workforce.